Yeah, welcome to Little Bird First. Tiny world with little cute birds, by the way. You're so cute, look at them. Look at those birds down, they're so cute. And a little fucking staring at you in the shop. Where's my food? Give me my food.
Alright, fine. Here you go.
Ah, my fucking bird comes. Ah, look at this bird, it's so cute. Look at it. Omelette du flamel.
I guess.
This one's been smoking the weed.
You got bloodshot like that. Listen at too many breadcrumbs. Look how fat he is. The true member of the BBC. Oh my god. Whoa, Rose shoved that ass on camera. Let me. My home.
What the
Hey,
fuck you doing?
we do my house. My house. No! You do my tree! Ah! I'm trying to nest my children! No! My neighbors! No! Oh, fuck these neighbors. Yeah, you can burn this one down. But no! No!